Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the Lexus ES350 and the Mercedes C-Class crashing against the wall, both of those cars looks terrible after the crash. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better. Which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. But before we jump into the analysis, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get right into the analysis folks. The Lexus ES350 versus the Mercedes C-Class. It's just a no-brainer when you're considering in buying a mid-size luxury sedans. These two cars should be on the top of your list. In terms of designs, it's only a matter of personal preference. If you like a car that is more subtle looking, then choose the C-Class. But if you rather have the latest daring and gorgeous designs from Lexus, then choose the ES350. In terms of technology and features, there's really no comparison. Both of these cars offers a variety of tech and features that basically made them toe-to-toe. In terms of comfort, I'm pretty sure that the C-Class is more comfortable. But if you rather have a sportier driving dynamics, the Lexus is up to the game. And the last but not least, crash test performance? Yeah, we are going to compare them right now. As usual, we also use the same crash test report from the IIHS organizations, starting from the top. As you can see, both of these cars earns a good score overall in the crashworthiness. Not overall, but every sections in the crashworthiness is a good score. Also in the crash avoidance and mitigations, they both earned the same good score and acceptable score. And then the last but not least, in the child seat anchors, both of them earns a good score. So the conclusion is both of these cars are practically identical in terms of crash test performance. There are really no difference if you look at the data here. In terms of crashworthiness, both of these cars performs with a good score. The only difference is on the crash avoidance and mitigations. The C-Class earns a good score at the standard front crash prevention system, while the Lexus has not been tested yet. There you have it folks, the Lexus ES350 versus the Mercedes C-Class. If you have requests on any car that you want to see the comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See you folks!